Sergio Pangasinan. Here's my question. Story of success of the fighting girls alive or dead? Graphic of 1 minute.
Mahabang story yan. Pwede ba? So, the story of success, as mentioned, no, the success of the Black group of companies did not really happen overnight. Actually, same as the UP men's basketball team and all the university teams, varsity teams, we started as underdogs in our industry. When we started the pawn shop, there were already big players. When we started the Dermitas, there were already big players. But, I guess what really separates us from the rest of our competitors is really our purpose. Similar to UP, similar to all our varsity teams. Kasi we know how it is to start from scratch, to build our business, to go back to the grassroots, service to our customers, service to the country. And so it's really all about, again, the success.
Wala naman ang problema kung kukunin nila ito, basta bigyan nila tayo.
I was still a student in many years ago. I think less than 30 branches. But look at where we are now, we're almost 4,000 branches nationwide. It's when we started as underdogs like all of us. So we know how it is to work hard.
Akin ba to?
Same.
All our values are aligned, and UP actually helped shape our values. So it's really a good partnership, and sabi ko nga, kung choice, magagalit ka sa amin yung mga pamangkin namin. So, but yes, it's really all aligned. I think in terms of service and love for the university, love for the country, inspiration to many. And so we will continue to support. It's not just the basketball team, but other basketball teams. Thank you.
Here's my last question. This is the coaches when they play in the juniors. How are you preparing for the upcoming season for this particular regional team?
Just last week was going to play some games that we played to prepare for the whole year. I guess we're really ready for sustainable seven. And also, as we call it, improvement game, each game will be taking also.
For this last week, wala na kami masyadong pwedeng i-tweak because I think the preparation is like, I'm sure Coach Gold knows that it's a year of preparation, it's not just this week. So wala na kami magagawa this week. The only thing that we're trying to do now for the last week is trying to be comfortable with the pressure, trying to be comfortable with the situation. The most important event of our year that we've been preparing every year is up already in the coming weeks. So we're trying to look for inspiration amongst ourselves. And just like what happened tonight, this is our very first time to participate in a send-off this big, this grandiose. So this adds to our inspiration coming into our games this season. So that's basically what we're doing